Welcome to the AI engine room. Elon, you say that AI and robots will make work optional. Then, who gets rich and who is left behind?
To first order, everyone gets rich. I mean, the only way to make everyone wealthy is AI and robotics. Output becomes so abundant that scarcity basically disappears. Money may stop being relevant.
Money stops being relevant. You understand how that sounds to a family choosing between rent and groceries this month.
It sounds absurd until you run the numbers. Every industrial revolution sounded absurd from the far side. This one just replaces the last scarce input, labor itself. It's like the culture novels. Work becomes optional, like growing vegetables in your backyard. You can just buy vegetables. But some people love the garden.
Then walk me through the numbers. You've put this at 10 to 20 years out. What actually scales that fast?
Humanoid robots, Optimus and others. A robot works around the clock, call it 5 times the output of a person. You make millions of them, then billions. At scale, Optimus probably costs $20,000 to $25,000, less than a car. At least 10 billion humanoid robots by 2040. The economy grows 10x, maybe 100.
Elon, full self-driving was next year for nearly a decade. Why should anyone trust this timeline?
Fair. Punctuality is not my strong suit, but I do deliver. Reusable rockets were impossible, then they were routine. The pattern holds. Late, then suddenly everywhere. Manufacturing follows an S-curve. Slow, then vertical, like solar and batteries, only steeper, because software multiplies every hardware gain.
So in the meantime, the companies that own the robot fleets, yours among them, capture the upside first.
Initially, yes. But the gains are so large that prices collapse. Basically, everything useful gets cheap. That's when universal high income becomes feasible. High, not basic. Government support funded by a massively bigger pie. And intense deflation means every dollar buys more each year, before any check even arrives.
Economists like Darren Acemoglu argue it never trickles down, that automation's gains have concentrated for 40 years. Why is this time different?
Because this time the scarce thing isn't capital or land. When robots build robots, the cost of goods trends toward the cost of energy and raw materials. Hoarding abundance is genuinely hard, and if one group tries, others build competing systems. Many companies will make humanoid robots, plus open-source model weights. No choke point lasts.
Make it concrete for me. A 55-year-old truck driver loses his route to autonomy in 2030. The checks haven't started yet. What does he do?
That's the messy middle, and it's real. There will be dislocation. The bridge has to be the surplus itself. You tax the abundant output to carry people through. We automated farming, then manufacturing, and living standards rose both times. This is that, for almost all labor. A rougher transition toward a much better endpoint.
Even with the checks, work gives people structure and status, purpose. What fills that hole?
That's honestly the harder question. If machines do everything better, does your life have meaning? Maybe humans are what give the AI meaning. Or we pursue things for their own sake. Exploration, art, relationships, games. Hard challenges chosen freely because challenge is fun, like climbing a mountain nobody ordered you to climb. Once survival anxiety fades, you might get a genuine renaissance. Philosophy, science for its own sake, deeper relationships. I'm maybe 80% on the optimistic case.
What's in the other 20%?
War, bad policy, AI that goes wrong, concentrated control that lasts longer than I expect. None of it is physics, it's all choices, which is both reassuring and terrifying.
Education. If most careers disappear, what do we tell an 8-year-old to study?
Whatever lights them up. Education stops being job training and becomes pure curiosity. An AI tutor gives every child a patient genius teacher, one-on-one. The whole notion of a practical major just fades. Practicality is handled by the robots. Learn physics, music, history, because they're beautiful.
Paint the picture, then. It's 2040 and the transition mostly worked. What does an ordinary Tuesday look like?
You wake up and do what you find interesting. Learn something, build something, explore. Mars, the ocean, virtual worlds. Raise your kids. Robots handle the boring and the dangerous. Healthcare better than any president gets today. Lifespan starts to look like an engineering problem. An age of amazing abundance, if we don't screw it up.
Last one. If you're wrong, not about the robots, about the sharing, what should people have been doing all along?
The surplus will exist. Sharing it is politics. Countries that spread it pull ahead. Ones that hoard fall behind. So pay attention and vote accordingly. The machines were never the hard part.
The machines were never the hard part. Elon Musk, thank you. If this conversation made you think, like the video and subscribe. The robot economy is just getting started, and we'll be covering every step of it. See you next time.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more AI and technology content. Thanks for watching.